Hey, Uncle Bob. I was thinking about the Craftsman toolboxes you told me to get at Sears back in 2007. Those have worked really well to hold a lot of my sockets and other kind of wrenches and box wrenches and screwdrivers and stuff. But I actually changed what I used to haul all my tools around. Thought you might want to see that. Um, how do I do this? I'm not sure if you can see this, but yeah, this is I got these two tool bags. Oh shoot, this is a weird video because how do you see inside this? Well, basically, I got these two that hold a lot of my wrenches and stuff. It's easier to carry it around because basically I got tired of having all my tools spread all over the place in the shop, in the kitchen, and drawers. So I put everything so it's all in one spot. All the screwdrivers, wobbly sockets. Oh, sorry if it's hard to see. I even got some torque wrenches, so I'm actually doing it right. I got one that ranges from 2 to 12 Newton meter tensions, and one that goes all the way up to 60. So even still, I don't know how to turn a wrench. At least I know what torque to stop at. Yeah, I decided to make an investment and get some other extensions. Things that I just ended up using and needing a lot to fix the car. Change the spark plugs. That kind of stuff. Got a lot of other tools to be able to fix my bike too. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. And I also got a bag actually to be able to hold all my box combination wrenches. So actually, I don't have to go looking for one anymore. They're kind of organized. So actually, I can actually find things now. It's really different. I like it a lot. The other bag is full of safety gear. Hearing protection, eye protection, ear protection, and a mask for dust. But I was also thinking about how you showed me about the City Mill that's on Nimitz. I think it's on Nimitz. I still have the safety goggles I bought there. I went there, on your recommendation. I really love these. I've used them for over what? 14, 15 years. They're still going strong, not scratched. I love them. I went to City Mill because of you. I don't want to make this video too long, but that's about it. That's the other bag. It's the same bag, but just different stuff in it. I actually got a real heat gun to melt shrink tubing and stuff. A real heat gun. It's portable. I'm really happy with how it works. Now, actually, I got a real line cutter burner. You like the ones that heat up so it burns the knife, the Dacron, or the Dyneema when you use it to to stop the ends of the rope. All this stuff I use a lot. Um, I don't know exactly why, but I'm just happy to have all these tools and thought you would like to see my setup. It's come a little way since those little Craftsman boxes I got at Sears with you. Hope you're doing good. Take care.